picking up more packages from eBay. I'm unboxing now. Let shipping label off. Gotta be careful. I even haven't ordered a tripod yet. After over nearly a couple years of like thinking of getting one, I need to get one though. But I had to like spend money on my computer and desk and stuff. Is that the only driver I received? It's supposed to get 2 pieces. This doesn't look right. Where's my phone camera now? There you go. Looks like they only gave me one speaker. What the fuck? I'm gonna ask for a partial refund. Yeah, I spent like $10 for just a single driver. It's not good. At least those Chinese people are more supportive than like Americans. I'm not gonna lie. This fucking country is fucking racist. I'm glad Trump got shot in the ear. That was funny. You know, fucking racist asshole. Ooh, the blinking got stuck on the plastic thing. Driver doesn't look too bad. Not bad. I wonder what it sounds like. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. Okay, I just read the description in the eBay listing. It's supposed to give me like one, so yeah, I can't ask for a refund, but it doesn't sound good. I hope so. That was pretty expensive. Doesn't look too bad. Yep, thanks for watching.